Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Nubian Princess. Yeah. So it's been a while guys since I have made a video, and y'all, I have to learn how to stop touching my hair. Okay, so there's a lot going on. There is a lot going on behind the scenes that you don't know. Excuse the hot mess. I don't have any makeup on at the moment. And so I just had to come on here and just basically say thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you guys. Thank you to my older subscribers that have been here with me since day one. Thank you guys so much for supporting your girl. Now, I'm gonna update you guys on a lot of stuff. We have life events happening, we have hair stuff happening, and we have just overall mental health going on. So right now, I am in good spirits, so I decided to jump on here to make a video. So stay tuned for a quick life and hair update. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be right back. Hi, guys. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so I'm going to get up close and personal to this camera, so do not be scared. Just want to show you guys my hair. So remember, I did a video not too long ago about getting these 2-strand twists. I've also posted a short about it. I got them done. My friend did it. Her name is Mush Beauty on Instagram and I think Facebook and Snapchat and TikTok. So it's M-U-S-H Beauty. There might be a period in between, but you'll see the name when it pops up. It'll have like a hair picture attached to it. She's based out of Fort Worth, Texas. And I love her. She's my friend and that's who I go to for my hair. So she did my retwist, let me say, June 10th. No, June, let me see, 7th or 8th, something like that. So this is what my retwist looked like since June, let's just say since June the 8th, okay? So today's date is, let me check. Okay, so today's date is July the 28th. So that means I've had this hair for a month and 3 weeks will be tomorrow, but still a month and 3 weeks. So this is what my twists look like after a month and 3 weeks. I think they look pretty good. I am going to oil my scalp tonight because I haven't oiled it in a while. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm showing you. So this is what my hair looks like after a month and 3 weeks. As you can see, the actual 2-strand twist itself is still good. And I've washed the hair. Now the front of my hair, as you can see, your girl got some new growth. My edges definitely filled in. So yeah. I'm doing the damn thing. So anyways, I am so happy, guys. And this is what I usually use to wash my hair. Let me show you. This is what I love to use to wash my hair. It feels so good. I actually just ran out. So that's a new bottle. And then also my mom has sister locks and she loves it too. So I bought her a bottle. So they're at Walmart. They're like $17, $18. But that bottle will last you like, I think that bottle lasted me like a year. So it's worth it. So guys, going back to my update. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna turn around without touching it. I hate my side profile. So this is what my hair looks like. And so far so good. The reason why I do not want to undo the twist yet is because I actually like having less hair. So without the 2-strand twist, I have 79 locks. It was supposed to be 80 locks. Long story short, I was missing 1 lock. So I have 79 locks. And so I got a size medium, but I kind of wish I would have got, let's say 40 locks, because I actually like less hair. Because my head is bigger, I want less hair, and it's hot in Texas. so at some point, I'm probably gonna combine my locks, but for now, we're gonna leave them the way they are, okay? Okay, we're gonna leave it the way it is, okay? So right now, with the 2-strand twist, let me count how many I actually have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, literally 39 locks. You see, guys, when I tell you that I know my head, like I know my head. I know my head, not my papa's head. I know my head. We got big heads. So you see how I just counted these, and these are 39 locks, like with the 2-strand twist. So imagine if I had 40 locks. This is like the perfect amount of locks. I can put it up, you know, I can just get up and go. Just get up and go. Every time I have my hair up, my husband is like, are you gonna wear your hair like that? I don't know what that means. I guess he hates my hair up. I don't care. He should be happy that I have hair, because he is somebody that likes hair. If it's up to me, I will shave my head off. so guys, so going back to my update. So I'm trying to do the whole lip gloss thing, because I noticed that in my other videos, my lips are kind of dry. So your girl is in the lip gloss gang now. So, okay, so I am, let me slow down. So I'm happy that I have 39 locks in my hair, because I have 2-strand twist, so it makes my hair less. So without the 2-strand twist, I would have double. And it's too hot for all that. It's summertime over here. It's hot. So this is like perfect. So far, I'm still loving the hair. I'm so happy that I did a new set of locks, because the other locks I had, you guys, whoo, they were terrible. But I haven't really sat down and talked about my experience with the other locks. I'm gonna do that. So if you're gonna get locks, I will say this. They're expensive. I got lucky because I travel. And so when I went to Nigeria, you know, in Nigeria, the exchange rate is cheaper. So, for example, let's say I spent $100 on these locks. $100 over there was like 200K. 200,000 Naira is a lot of money. So I was able to get my locks done for very cheap when you exchange it to the currency over there. So that's why I made the decision to take the junk out that I had in my hair and get a new set ASAP. And I have no regrets. I wish I would have done this a long time ago, instead of going 13 months with terrible, terrible locks. My hair would have been long right now. Like, can you guys see? Can you guys see, like, the length? And then when I took the hair out, you guys, when I took the hair out, literally, my actual locks, I know it sounds crazy, but my actual locks were long. Like, I was like, oh, I didn't even know I had that much hair. You know, my husband was like, you actually have hair? I was like, yeah, I know. So I'm pretty hairy. Your girl grows sideburns, under chin hair. My hair touches my eyebrows here, then I have no eyebrows. So, but yeah, I wish I would have done these like a long time ago, but it's okay. Everything happens for a reason. learned my lesson. But what I will say, if you are thinking about getting lock extensions, or you're still debating whether you want to lock your hair, go ahead and do it. Like, the longer you wait, the more you might regret it later on, meaning that you might say, oh, I wish I did this a long time ago. Because if I would have started these locks when I first started having an attraction for locks when I was in junior high, so I was probably about 14, 15. If I would have got these locks when I was 14, 15, right now my locks would be down past my butt. But it's all good. It's all good. And at one point I even tried doing it with my natural hair. But the only thing is I like to color my hair a lot. So what I learned from my natural set of locks a few years back was don't color it so often. So as you can see with these lock extensions, I have no color. But your girl is gonna get color soon. By the end of this year, I'm gonna put some color in my hair. My husband's gonna help me color it. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do like, there's this ruby red. It's like a pinkish, reddish, purplish, ruby color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna do that. Can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Anyways, I just wanted to just basically come on here and just show you guys what my hair looks like after a month and 3 weeks. I'm still loving it. I actually like maintenance or retwist when they're old because I like all the new growth. I don't like when my scalp is just like I know people like the clean with the lines just perfect, but I like the rough look. Like my husband, right? I know he wishes that I was like one of those women that like curls their edges and does all this wild. No. I'm sorry, you married the wrong person, because what you see is what you get. If I'm going to glam up, somebody else is going to do it, because I don't have the energy to be slicking my edges every day. And guess what, guys? I even have the edge control. Let me show you. I have the edge control, but I don't do it. I don't do it. So, yeah. So if you're thinking about getting lock extensions, get them. Don't wait. Get it done by a professional. Do your research. Find out what size you want that fits your face, your maintenance plan, because the more locks you get, the more expensive it tends to be. So like for those people that have like the small sister locks, to do a maintenance in the United States of America with something like that typically is about $300 to $600. That's crazy. That's how I knew that I did not want to do those small, tiny locks. But if you have regular size locks like mine, the average price that you might pay for a retwist is like $100, and that's on the cheap side. So you literally have people that are charging $200, and nowadays they don't even wash the hair. You gotta wash your own hair and bring your hair washed. So imagine if they washed it. So you know what? I wish I had the patience and the time to do retwist maintenance. I can do maintenance, you guys. I can do it. I'm gonna teach my husband. We're gonna do a business. I'm gonna book the clients and I'm gonna start the maintenance and he's gonna finish it, because I just can't do it for more than an hour. After an hour, my hands start hurting. I start getting carpal tunnel. So that's where you marry and you have a partner who's gonna help you. Bam. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Stay tuned for when I take my 2-strand twist out. I also took out the jewelry that I had in here before. This is like my go-to hairstyle. I look weird when I style my hair like in the middle. Let me show you guys. Or to this side. So I like, this is my best side. This is my best side. And as you can tell, my hair is like used to it. It just kind of lays. So do what you want. Life is short, guys, but be safe. do what you want to do with your hair. I know social media is all about who has the best human hair, who has the best makeup, whose BBL is the best, all the fakery. Y'all, I ain't got time for it. So if you're one of those people that like real, straight to the point videos, stay tuned, because I have a lot more coming your way. And we've come a long way, you guys. I got about 1,300 subscribers. I remember back then when I used to have like 20. So I've come a long way, and it took dedication. I would have been uploading more videos, but like I said, there's a lot that's going on. And so one day I'm gonna sit down and tell you guys all of it. Just not today, because I don't have the energy. And it's like almost 10 o'clock and I want to get some sleep because your girl is tired and I'm so thirsty. I'm about to go get some water. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. 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 So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the people that just come in here just to see what I'm doing. The people that just come in here just to be nosy and don't like. I even want you to dislike. If you want to dislike the video, dislike it. Just do something. I'm not asking you for money. Just do something. So yeah. So, oh yeah, by the way, my channel has gotten to a point where I can have membership. So I'm definitely going to have a membership. We're going to call my group or my membership group, what are we going to call them? The Nubian Royalties. So we're going to have a group that is dedicated to my channel for membership called Nubian Royalties. And if you are part of the Nubian Royalties, I feel like royalties is too much. Let's do Nubian Royals. Nubian Royals. So if you're part of the Royals, you're going to get exclusive content. And the content is going to be about something major. So you definitely want to get your membership. And I'm going to make the membership so cheap. It's going to be like $2.99 a month. And you're going to get at least guaranteed 2 videos in a month. But your girl is going to try to upload at least once video every week. But I don't want you to hold me to that. But let me just say, at least in a month, you're going to get 2 videos. So I don't think $3 is a lot for 2 quality long videos about what your girl got going on. And trust me when I tell you that this surprise is really nice and really big. So stay tuned, get your membership, and like and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.